Welcome to day 10 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Let's take a few moments to connect to the present moment. You can take a deep breath in or simply settle the awareness in your body. As you slowly start settling in, allow your body to smile. Just imagine your skin, your heart, your lungs, your legs, your face, simply and effortlessly smiling. Smile is a simple act of letting your body know that you are well, you are loved, and you are worthy. You are born with an endless sea of potential. You have it now, and you'll have it till the day you die. Just like we cannot create or destroy energy, we can only explore or hide the potential. Self-worth is the beliefs that we have about ourselves. And sometimes we struggle to believe in ourselves. Self-worth lies in all the good things about you. There is never a day you are not worthy. Self-worth is not determined by anything. You don't have to do anything to be worthy. You just are. Know this and deeply connect with the truth. Your strengths, your talents, and kind acts towards other people are just an expression of your self-worth. When you let go of the addiction to other people or to other people's opinions, all of a sudden you understand that your self-worth is whole and complete at all times. Remind yourself every day that you don't need to justify your existence. You are worthy just because you are. As you go deeper into your meditation today, keep this thought in your heart. I am worthy just because I am. I am worthy just because I am. As you slowly come back to the space you are in, connect with the smiling energy. Allow your body to smile. As you go on with your day today, just visualize your self-worth as a whole and entire entity within you. You can choose where your self-worth lives in your body and connect to that place and feeling anytime you want. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.